Till we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
So that's your ferry point. So interesting fact, there's 3 cable ferries in Australia, and we're actually about to tick the 3rd one off. So there's the Daintree one, which is this one. You got the Jardine River, which we did the other week, and you got the Noosa North Shore. So that's interesting. We've ticked it off the bucket list even though it wasn't on there. One thing to note, I don't think, unlike the Jardine, I don't think this one you have to go down on special angles or anything.
What's the big please?
Last words, get down there. Bloody half stuck.
You'll be fine.
You'll see us on the channel 27 News.
27.
Caravan and car stuck on the Daintree Rainforest River ferry
Blocks
thing.
Traffic.
Blocks traffic for months. Ah well, I tell you, got a bit of new news, haven't we? So
Yeah.
we've booked a little trip out of Darwin.
You'll see where.
You'll see.
I bet you can guess.
It's pretty close, but it is overseas. It's an international flight, and it's out of Darwin. So
I thought you almost said it then.
no. And if you think you know what it is, put it in the comments below, and yeah, we might say congratulations to the person that gets it right first.
I'll give you a clue.
Oh,
Selamat pagi.
Selamat pagi. Pulled up at Daintree Ice Cream Factory. So they've got long bay parking, which is nice. Long vehicle parking, which is just here. Tell you what, it's actually quite nice grass. I wish we could camp on here. I just got to unplug this real quick, which Nikki's supposed to remind me about, but she doesn't. Hey, were you supposed to remind me anything?
Unplug.
Yeah, so Daintree Ice Cream will take you inside. See?
Ice cream.
What flavour?
Flavor ice cream.
Yeah, what is
flavour?
What for?
Is it strawberry, chocolate?
Ice cream.
Coconut.
I could think that.
Chocolate coconut.
Chocolate coconut? How'd you go?
Good. I got a tasting platter. There's coconut under there, which I can't get to yet. Wattle seed, passion fruit, and yellow sapote. Sapote. I'm not sure, but it's good.
Yeah.
I'm not sure what it is.
her passion fruit one's actually delicious.
And it's really good that Bossy's got something that's dairy free, because there's usually not many options for dairy free. There's a mango sorbet, but that's pretty standard that dairy free people have that available to them. So it was cool that he's got chocolate coconut. Happy about that.
And I got what do I get? Espresso. What's one called? Espresso coffee and cardamom. I don't know what cardamom is, but
we've been to cardamom.
Pretty much tastes like an iced coffee, and it's delicious.
Cardamom's like a superfood, I think.
I'm in the superfoods.
I think. We looked it up once when we went to Cardamom Pod, what cardamom is.
It's probably like cinnamon or something, but if you know what cardamom is, chuck it in the comments below and let us know, because I've got no idea what it is. Even a picture would be really good.
Google it.
We've got no reception, so we can't Google. So, and by the time we do have reception, I'll forget about cardamom. So, chuck it in while you're watching this, please, so I can know what it is. Is that good?
No, that's good.
He looks like he's bothered.
Do you love it?
It's like he doesn't though, because he looks bothered.
Do you love it?
Yeah. Meow, meow, meow.
Okay, so we're all set up at Cape Trib Camping. When we get back there, I'll show you some footage. The drive to Cape Trib was actually really nice through the rainforest and stuff. So today is our last day here at Cape Trib. We're only doing the 2 nights, and today we've come to the Discovery Centre, Daintree Discovery Centre. So we're just here now. Probably don't bring your caravan here, because there's not a lot of parking. We're in sort of a side street, which everyone seems to park in. Yeah, so don't have any clue what we're doing here, because we've done the whole Birksy thing where we don't look up stuff. We just go, oh, the Discovery Centre's good.
It's meant to be a few things here.
The boss says there's a few things here, so we'll have a look-see and show you anything that looks of any interest.
Leaf-tail gecko.
Show us your phone thing.
See, key, the number's in it, so like an audio thing, apparently. So we'll see. Yeah, I see it for now.
Alright, let's try it out, Boston. It's going really well. So what do? Press 1.
Oh yeah, you gotta hold it up.
I want it louder. I hate this already.
Right. Want some water?
And when I say this, I mean this thing. I don't mean the actual place.
Okay.
That footage that you're looking at now is called the Strangler Fig. So it strangles all the other trees. And that's about all I know, but it is awesome looking. Looks as though there's a little horse tour going on here. In the weather. It's like watching a cattle train go past. They just keep coming. Boom, boom. You know, when you sit there and you count them, you get up to 460 and you go, oh, that's enough. Anyway, it's starting to rain, so not a really good time to ride a horse. I don't trust horses anyway. Try horses.
Tiny little brains for the big body.
Yeah. Well, the second last one's nice. It's a big chestnutty thing. Maybe it's not big. Maybe it's just got a small kid on it. Cape Trib Camping, baby!
Some time, and I'm dying to
Look at that. That's dumb. Anyway, we're heading into the wildlife habitat now. I think they sting you actually. It's like 43 bucks a person or something. Anyway, we'll have a look-see. Just want to say thank you everyone for subscribing to our channel, watching our videos, and commenting. The few that do comment, it does help us. And yeah, thank you very much. I actually love hearing from you guys on how good or how bad my video editing's getting. So I get a fair bit of what do you call it, flack from me partner in crime. Anyway, I get constructive criticism. Don't jump out of line, Trevor.
The constructive criticism helps. I'm a teacher. I know how to deliver constructive criticism.
Don't you dare jump out of line. Sorry, ma'am. Okay, anyway, you've seen who wears the pants here. I'll take you into the wildlife habitat.
Birds.
Last time we saw a brolga.
It almost flew at the car. It was a bit scary.
I'll try and find that clip again and chuck it in here.
Oh, it's that brolga thing.
Yeah, it's a type of brolga.
Oh,
I was going to come at the van. Next minute, oh brolga sit.
Wouldn't want to pick that out of your windshield.
Windshield? What are you? American?
What do you call it?
You've been watching too much Mickey Mouse.
What do you call it?
Windscreen.
Windscreen.
And my wipers were on.
The castle.
I think we've got some issues with the American accent now, family.
A bit too much
Too
Disney.
much Mickey, too much Disney. But we're prepping for our Disneyland trip that's coming up. So I'm excited for that. Excited to take you guys along with us, and excited to watch Boston and Nikki cry all the time when they see Mickey Mouse and all the characters.
He won't cry. I'll be doing a lot of crying.
Okay.
What is it? What sort of bird is it?
What's this way?
Going all right, mate? Tell them about your day.
Happy.
Tell them about your day.
Too close. You don't want to freak him out.
Okay. Hey, bossy! Give me a big wave. Hang on, I'll get a photo.
It's not all sunshine and rainbows in our lives.
So we're at the Skyrail and apparently you have to pre-book. We didn't pre-book because we never pre-book anything, which is okay. So we got on one, 45-minute wait. We'll go to the cafe and have something to eat or drink while we're killing a bit of time and look at the shop and stuff. But yeah, we'll show you what this looks like. So it's in Smithfield or Kuranda. Yeah, Smithfield. Kuranda's over the mountain. But yeah, if you want to do the train, you have to definitely book. It's already all booked out. It's 9:30 now, all booked out for today. But we're doing the Skyrail, which is just a gondola up and down. So we'll see how that goes. Well, that was fun.
So we've left the Skyrail with a refund because the people in front from like 45 minutes before our booking weren't even on yet. They had a delay and they weren't even accepting those people on. So we just thought by the time we get on and up there, it's going to be like mid-afternoon and our time to come back would have already even passed. So we wouldn't have even had any time up there. I'm sure we could have pushed it back, but it just would have getting push and push. Must be a busy day. Don't know why it's a Friday. it's not school holidays. Anyway.
Yeah, maybe we'll try and come midweek.
Yeah, maybe that's just what it's like. Anyway, we're going to pre-book next time. Get like a midweek booking. We'll go first thing in the morning. That'll be better for us because we can really get the most out of it.
Because we're in Cairns for another week or so, so it's like,
yeah, we got
plenty of time.
Plenty of time. They were like, the refund was super easy. They were super chill about it and understood why. And yeah, it looks great. It's just a really big expense for not a lot of outcome if we were getting there after midday. And apparently there's an RSCQ discount, but you have to obviously do that before you even arrive. So next time we will do that.
So as Nikki said, change of plans. We're now at the casino in Cairns because they've got a zoo here. So we're at Cairns Zoo in the casino. They've got like a domey sort of section on the top of the casino. We've actually stayed here before, but we didn't get to the zoo when we stayed here. I think we were only here one night or something. But we've both got thongs on, so we won't be going in for a little gamble, I'd say. But we will go in for the zoo. So this is all at the top of the casino, which is pretty cool. And they give you, with your ticket, you get 4 days of re-entry.
Got you. He's moving.
Birks, where are you?
Want to go that way? Okay.
Nice backpack.
Thanks. It's my favourite.
Tell you what though, if you were staying here, you could, I mean, if your kids were older than Boston, you could just go, oh, go up to the zoo.
They sleep lots of the day.
Oh, I can
Like me to lift you up.
You would see that.
I want a whoopsie. You see him?
It's
Does he sleep?
sleeping. He's sleeping.
What's his name?
Koala.
Koala. Let's keep looking, find the free animals.
Let's keep looking, find more animals.
Alright, I'll go around this way.
Hands out.
Good boy. Oh, look at that. It's on you.
Good
That's
boy.
An insect.
She is very friendly.
Good
Stick
boy.
insect.
It's
It's alright. It's tickling you, is it?
Oh, he's touching your
He's just
shirt.
curious. He's just curious.
It's
You
alright.
don't like him?
It's okay.
I can take him.
Sorry, I didn't want him to grab him. Is that cool?
He was like this.
He was going to grab it
Ready
like
to
off.
take him.
You will hurt him.
That's fun. Is that Melbourne?
So we've just left Port Douglas. It was a great 4 or 5 nights there actually. At the end of our stay, we reunited with the great family that we met in Uluru, which was really good. If you're not following them, they're on Instagram, the Sunseekers. So if I've got that wrong, guys, I'm really sorry. But yeah, Ben and Lauren, it was really good to see you guys again. We're just actually now here at the Port Douglas car wash. So we're planning on doing a good wash on the exterior of the caravan. The van really needs a wash. The car needs one as well. But I'm getting the car professionally detailed in Cairns. So looking forward to that. It's going to look brand new again, and they've promised me they'll get all the red dirt. So we'll see how that one goes. But if it is good, I'll chuck in something after I get it done and let you guys know who we went through. But yeah. So we just jumped out of the car to come under this bridge that we've been meaning to come under, the Mowbray Bridge or something.
Mowbray?
Mowbray, for the last week. Anyway, we just jumped out because people said they could see crocs, and yeah, I got some footage of a croc. I'll slap it in here now so you can see that. You don't have to look at me or Boston. But yeah,
look,
that's a stick, I think.
Are you sure?
Looks sticky.
It's so hard. They do look like a log.
But yeah, we saw the main one just sleeping on the bank. So if I see any more, I'll let you know. But I think that's it. But pretty crazy that they're just like right there in the water. But I guess that's what you gotta have up in this region. Big croc wise. Okay, so by now you would have seen the train. What can I say? An hour and a half felt like it was quite long, because when there's like a nice bridge or a nice tunnel or waterfalls, they do slow down. So I think we left at 8:50 and I think it's like 10:40 now. So it's nearly 2 hours. We've literally just walked 3 minutes from the station to the first pub that we saw. No, not to have a drink. Stop jumping at conclusions. Normally it would be. It is only 10:45, so I do have morals today. But yeah, we're starving, so we're getting some food. So here comes the love of my life now.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, gorgeous.
How'd you go, darling?
15% surcharge because it's a public holiday. Can I just give a tip while I remember for the train? So I recall that there was like a section that you can put in additional notes or like just information for the staff, and I thought, well, I'm not going to write anything, but I wish I had written, can we have forward facing please, because I do struggle that long of a time going backwards, like not like on a ride, but on a train for that long going backwards is pretty brutal. Like I feel a bit you know, but I'll be fine now that I'm outside. But yeah, put a note saying, can I please face forward, and I'm sure they'd be able to accommodate you.
If you feel you don't look it, you look amazing.
Oh, thanks, babe.
So we're just gonna have some lunch now. I was just saying, don't jump to conclusions. We're not here drinking. Did you get coffee or?
Yeah, I got coffee.
Oh, did they put a bit of? Was it a Irish coffee with a bit of something in it?
They've got caramel syrup, no soy milk though, so we need toilets later.
Can you not tell everyone about my bowel issues? Nah, anyway, we drink soy milk because the young fella drinks soy milk.
And now we're just used to it.
Now we're just so used to it. So we're going to eat, and then we're going to go and check out Kuranda. How do you say this place? Kuranda. And then we'll probably have, I'd say, an hour and a half left to tour, and then we'll be back down here catching the Skyrail home, which hopefully will be a bit nicer. Butterfly Sanctuary! I'm so excited. Oh yeah, he's a bit big, isn't he?
There's a couple of massive ones. That one there.
Oh, look at that.
Mommy, the green one almost landed on me.
Oh, look, they're flying right again.
Right, what's one? Yeah, really good. Do you want to go over the bridge?
Okay, go on.
Go on then. Just wait. Even this fan's nice.
Waiting, bossy.
Tin fan.
Okay. Why are you looking lucky?
Look at its curly things at front. $22 for entry. Not too bad actually. It's butterflies, but not too bad.
Not too bad.
Not too bad, you reckon? Boston, you say not too bad?
Not too bad.
Hopefully it goes a bit faster than this once we get going, hey?
Boston, what are you on?
I'm on a ride, guys.
I'm going backwards.
Yeah, because I'm not. There's room for you over here if it gets that bad. There's 3 seats per side. 3 seats. Almost dropped something.
3 seats per side. If I sit on that side, she might flip right over.
No, that'll be rated.
Did you just have a fall?
We had a big stack, didn't we? Are you okay?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Whoa! Oh, she's faster!
Look at him holding on.
Are you scared? Are you scared?
I get too faster.
Too faster?
Bit too fast, hey? Who, the boat? You having a good time?
Yes, I'm a good time on the way.
You're having a good time on the rides.
We're
We're going to hit up some rides next week. Hopefully he has just as good of a
I
time.
don't travel.
Have we officially said what we're doing?
Oh,
I travel.
Stay tuned.
I think it's a good time to tell everyone where we're going.
We're going to Japan next
I
week.
said over.
You fell over, yeah.
I get sticker.
He got his sticker. That's a Band-Aid sticker.
What are we doing in Japan, mate?
Going to Disneyland. So excited.
I can't wait to see the Disneyland.
He can't wait to see Disneyland. Who lives at Disneyland?
Mickey. I can't wait to see the Mickey's house.
He can't wait to see Mickey's house. That's the castle. Hey,
I can't wait to see that.
me too.